Hello champs, how are you all? I'm sure you are doing really great. In today's session, we are going to talk about the use of has or have. Okay? Has or have. Now, let's see when we are going to use these words in our sentences. So first, the word has. Okay? We use the word has when we use the words he, she or it. Okay? So when we are using the words he, she, it, with them we use the word has. Okay? And now what about have? Let's see. When we are using the word I, you, they, we. I, you, they, we. Then we use the word have. Okay? So now let's repeat once together. So now let's revise it together. We use the word has when we are using the words he, she, it. Okay? And we use the word have when we use the words I, you, they, we. Okay? Now let's look for some examples. So in the first picture you can see that there is a girl who is having long hair, right? So she is telling us that she has long hairs. So according to the girl, she is telling that I have long hair. I have long hair. We are using the word have here because she is using I in her sentence. Okay? Now let's look towards the second example. In the second example, you can see that there are two boys who are wearing red color shirt. Right? So to denote the boys, we use the word they. Okay? So can you tell me that what is the word we are going to use with the word they? Correct. Have. Right? So the sentence will be they have red shirts. They have red shirts. Correct. So now in the third example, you can see that there are again two boys. But you can clearly see that one boy is talking to another. Okay? So the boy is telling the color of the other boy's eyes here. Okay? So the boy is using the word you. Okay? You. So can you tell me what is the word we use with the word you? Correct. Have. So the boy is telling that you have blue eyes. You have blue eyes. Great. Now let's move forward towards our fourth example. Now you can see in this example that there is a cat, right, who is having 4 legs. Okay? So we are going to talk about that cat, right? So it is an animal. So cat, for cat, we are going to use the word it. Okay? So when we are going to use the word it, can you tell me what is the word we are going to use with the word it? Correct. Has. So we are going to say it has 4 legs. So here we are talking about the cat who is having 4 legs. So we are going to say it like it has 4 legs. Great. Now the next example. So here we can see that there is a girl who is having 2 books in her hands. And we have to tell that to someone else. So how we are going to say it? We are going to use the word she. So can you tell me what we are going to use with the word she in the sentence? Correct. Has. So the sentence here is she has 2 books. She has 2 books. Now the last example. In this picture you can clearly see that there is a boy who is having a small nose. So we are going to talk about the boy. So now here we are talking about a boy. So what is the word we are going to use? He, right? So can you tell me what is the word we use with the word he? Correct. Has. So we are going to say he has small nose. He has small nose. Okay? Great. So now these are the words you use regularly in your sentences and you have to use them. Okay? So make sure you practice it thoroughly. Now we'll meet in our next session. Till then, bye-bye.